Can you say hi?
Hi.
Yeah, good job. What does a froggy say?
Rabbit. Rabbit.
What does a kitty say?
No. No. No.
What does a cow say?
Moo.
Yeah.
Moo.
What does a doggy say?
What? What?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
What?
What does a lion say?
What?
Roar. What does a birdie say?
Wait. Wait.
Tweet, tweet. What does a pig say? What does a dinosaur say? What does a duck say?
Quack. Quack.
Quack, quack. That's right. Let's think of a different one. What does... What's another one? What's another one we can do? What does a bear say?
Wow.
Yeah. What does a sheep say?
Yeah.
We say bah.
Ah.
Bah.
Fish.
All right. Well, oh, what does a fishy say? Yeah, that's right. What does an owl say? Good job. That's right. What does a whale say? Yeah, that is absolutely right. What does a snake say? No, snake says what? What does a bee say?
Rabbit.
No, that's a frog. A bee says bzzz. It's kind of a hard one to do, huh? Can you say, do you love Daddy?
Our daddy.
You love Daddy. Where's Daddy?